I was just doing some late night coding and testing out the new Claude Opus 4.5 model, and damn, it is scarily good at a lot of things. I've been facing a lot of issues with auth and getting my app Alive Data to work and function. And just this night, I was able to create this entire website, create an entire OCR tool, and it just works, which is so scary. I was telling myself, it's like, oh, this, whatever I'm doing right now is going to take me the rest of the week. But no, I reconfigured my entire web page to look similar to that of Cursor, and it made this entire animation, and it just works. I mean, sure, it's not perfect. There's some like artifacting here, but when have AI models been able to make animations like this? And I don't know how to explain how crazy this feels. It feels like a normal website or like a legitimate website that, I don't know, some sort of startup company would have or something like that. I mean, sure, I told it to go off of Cursor, but I don't know, guys. Okay, maybe this is not that great. Like the small things, sure, like I don't like that these buttons highlight. There are some small things, right? This maybe this text is too much spacing in between here. But in terms of how everything looks in general, it's kind of insane how far we've come. Because I was working with Trey.ai the other day, and Trey.ai's solo mode kind of just works. I'll show you the video. It just creates websites, like really simple ones like this, which, speaking of which, I was never able to actually get an output that looked like, hold up, build a movie website for me, and it creates anything like that. Like, no, I was not able to get this sort of output. I got the like AI slop website, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to explain what it looked like, but think just whatever Anthropic's websites used to look like. AI slop website, example, purple gradients. I think AI slop, yeah. So this, right? POV, you're about to look at the worst code generated. Yeah, something like this, right? Well, let's actually see. Maybe actually I'm overselling how good Claude Opus is, because it looks like this entire form right here is very similar to the one that I was looking at. So who knows? Actually, I haven't really used the Claude Opus models all too much, so maybe I'm just being blown away for no reason. But either way, oh shit, man, maybe it's not that good. Either way, this animation is very, very good. I think that, hey, now is the time to get into software engineering, because look at what you can create with language and words. I didn't have any foresight or thought on how this would look when I first designed it, right? I was just like, hey, use Cursor's website to make a front page that has like, a design over here where it displays like what the tool is and all this stuff, but it just works. And also, I got my auth to work as well. Look at this. It's gonna redirect me right in because I was already logged in before, but I can now show this to people. This is something that's like real and legitimate. Like I can actually upload files from my PC. Software is like having a 3D printing moment. I like to think of the entire like 3D printing revolution where you used to literally have to move a 3D printer around in order to get something to print. I can show this. I mean, look at this thing, the MakerBot. This is essentially what 3D printing was when it first started, right? I remember my school in high school, we actually got access to some brand of 3D printer. It was the worst thing ever. But the idea that I could actually create something and it was like feasible to do, it blew my mind, and it made me think that, like, think about all what's possible with software, with 3D printing, right? But that we're having this moment right now in software engineering. Like, I don't know how to explain how cool it is to have a front end that essentially looks like this. And I understand, hey, like if you're a software engineer or somebody who already understands software, this isn't that interesting. But this animation would have taken me forever to figure out. I'm so baffled that this just works. I am just confused and astonished. And I think that if you are a software engineering student right now, you need to be building things, because I look at it even saves in my sessions. I don't know how to explain like how cool it is. Seriously, go build stuff. Whatever it is you want to build, go build it because now is the time. Now is the time. Please do it. I mean, Claude Opus is awesome. It's a little bit expensive, sure, but I really think that like this has been the first time ever where I've been very surprised by what a model can specifically do. And you know, you can read through the entirety of this thing yourself, but I think that the fact that not everybody in the world is trying or like messing around with this tool is really like sad. Like there needs to be more people learning and seeing what they can do with AI tools like this because I mean, it's not just the front end, guys. It's not just the front end. It's the back end too. I have a database. This is actually working. Like, please don't show my product keys, please. Okay. Oh wait, I'm on a, you know, this is like in production. This is working. I look, it has a cache. It has data populated into it. And like, sure, you know, I still need to figure a lot of things out and I still need to like figure out how I can translate this into actual value that I'm providing people. But this is me taking something from my mind and bringing it into the world. And when I think about 3D printing, which maybe some of you don't know or some of you haven't messed around with before, it's like, this is the moment that I'm feeling right now. It's like, I can create stuff and I can like make really awesome stuff. So I'm going to keep doing that and you should too. And that's the video.